Hi everyone, welcome to Axone. We are proud to present our latest offering for budding software testers. So what do you get? With professional practice, you're working with Axone as a software testing intern. You're not a student in a training course. You work in a team and interact, and not just listen to endless lectures. You're mentored by us, not just taught by trainers. Most conventional training courses aim to teach you the concepts, which are important but may not be good enough to take you to the professional level. Even after months of training, most students lack the confidence and skills to get through the interview. How about working in a corporate environment and learn software testing at the same time? Sound exciting, isn't it? This is exactly what professional practice is all about. You will work as a member of an agile team and use the latest tools and technologies to gain professional level experience. This will enable you to get some genuine experience on your CV and gain confidence to face interviews. At Axone, we create a working environment where you will be testing a real-world project. This involves testing different levels of architecture using multiple tools and technologies. The whole learning is based on an agile approach, where you work in a team across multiple sprints with your mentor guiding you through the process. You start off testing the application front end while learning the basic concepts and then move into more technical aspects like API testing. Throughout the course, you'll be presenting your work around test scripts, test plans, and bug reports to your wider team. This enhances your confidence, which will increase your success in interviews. We promote and nurture teamwork, collaboration, and effective communication, which forms the foundation of your learning experience. We have an e-learning platform which enables you to access all the recordings, study material, and assignments. It is a central place to refresh your memory, and you can access using desktop and mobile devices. The course is designed around the agile ways of working, and you will be working in 2-week sprints. Sprint is a set duration to complete tasks, very popular term in agile. Very interesting, isn't it? Each sprint will consist of a number of sessions, which coaching and collaboration as underlying themes. These sessions will be scheduled every sprint on Microsoft Teams meeting. At the end of the course, we provide placement assistance. We help you to get ready for the interview and prepare your CV. We also support you in ISTQB Foundation preparation and for the interview preparation. I know you can't wait to join us. You can join and get the first week free and pay to continue further. Thank you for listening.